Various classification techniques. Classification techniques, there may be decision tree, Bayes classifier, nearest neighbor classifier, sport vector machine, neural networks, and there are other techniques also available. In this lecture, we will be discussing about the decision. Or decision trees are just like other trees. They are n-ary trees. They are not binary trees. They are n-ary trees. We can have n number of branches that may come from single root. One root can have multiple branches, and we will go branch wise and take the decision. So in this we are considering the example. In this we are having different attributes: day, outlook, temperature, humidity, wind, and tennis. So we have to decide whether a particular person will play tennis or not. And for this we have to decide whether the outlook is sunny or it is overcast, temperature is hot, mild or cool, humidity is high, normal or any type, and then we decide wind is weak, strong, and based on that we consider whether the tennis will be played or not. Like for day 1, if the outlook is sunny and if temperature is hot, humidity is high, wind is weak, then the person will not play tennis. So in third day we say if outlook is overcast, temperature is hot, humidity is high, wind is weak, then that person will play tennis. For sure he will be playing tennis. And this is a training set. Based on this training set we are having 14 rows, and in these 14 rows we can design a training model, and from this training model we will be designing the final model, test model, which will we use to take the decision. Have a look at this. It says decision trees. Each internal node tests an attribute. Each branch corresponds to a class attribute value. Each leaf node assigns a classification. So is here we say if outlook is sunny, humidity is high, then tennis is to be played. If outlook is sunny, humidity is normal, then yes, tennis is to be played. And similarly, if outlook is overcast, then tennis will be played. If outlook is rain and it is windy, if strong, tennis will not be played. If outlook is rain, it is windy, wind is weak, then tennis will be played. So in this case, we join the branches with the AND condition, and different condition represents OR. In this case, we say outlook is sunny and humidity is high. At the same time, we can say outlook or outlook is overcast. So here we will go with the. So in this case, we are saying if outlook equal to sunny and humidity equal to normal, or if outlook equal to overcast, or if outlook equal to rain and wind equal to weak, then play tennis. This is a complete example for. Decision trees can be used for classification as well as for regression. It is similar to classification, but we can use a decision tree for regression also. Regression is similar to classification. It uses a set of attributes to predict the value instead here, but we don't use class label. Instead of computing information gain, we compute the sum of squared error. Partition the attribute space into set of regular subspaces, each with its own predictor. So students, in this during this lecture, we have discussed about decision trees, classification technique. In the next lecture, we will be discussing about Bayes algorithm, which is again used for classification, which is a very good technique for classification. So if you have any doubt, any queries, then please write in the comment box. I will answer you shortly. You can be in touch with me through your WhatsApp group or any method. Please don't forget to comment in the comment box so that I will get the idea whether you are able to understand this or I have to do something else. Thank you, Thank you, students.